Welcome to the Internal Trainer Development session on Train the Trainer, focusing on training needs analysis and AI prompt engineering. Today, you will learn how to identify training needs and use AI tools to significantly increase your effectiveness as a trainer. Here is our session roadmap. We will begin with an intro, discuss TNA concepts, and conduct hands-on practice. Then we will dive into prompt engineering basics, see TNA and AI in action, and finish with an action pledge. By the end, you will be able to conduct TNA independently and use AI to speed up your training preparation. Let's start with an icebreaker. Think of the best training you ever attended and what made it unforgettable. Discuss this in a pair share for 2 minutes. Then we will briefly debrief. Great training starts with truly understanding your audience's real needs. Training needs analysis is the systematic process of identifying the gap between current and desired performance and determining if training is the right solution. TNA is conducted at 3 levels: organizational, job or task, and individual. Considering all 3 levels is essential for effective training at Tex Zippers. Our 5-step TNA process defines goals, gathers data, analyzes gaps, prioritizes needs, and recommends a solution. Remember, training is not always the answer. Sometimes the solution might involve process change or equipment upgrades. We reviewed 4 main data collection methods: interviews for deep insights, surveys for scalability, observation for real behavior, and document review for factual data. To ensure credibility, try to blend at least 2 methods for your TNA. Now for a hands-on exercise. The scenario: a 2.1% zipper defect rate when the target is 0.3%. Your task is to identify stakeholders, define the gap, and list possible root causes. Work through these 3 steps to find the root cause and determine if training is necessary. Prompt engineering is the art of giving AI clear, structured instructions to get high-quality, fast outputs. The CRAFT framework guides this: context, role, action, format, and tone. This framework helps you save time and generate high-quality outputs efficiently. We are now ready for a live demo using the CRAFT framework to build a TNA survey. Observe how the components combine into one prompt for the AI to generate a useful, structured survey instantly. This accelerates a task that normally takes hours. Here is an AI prompt library for various TNA tasks at Tex Zippers, including designing interview questions, analyzing survey data, and writing TNA reports. Use these as a starting point, modify them for your department, and then share your effective prompts with your team. This slide visualizes the combined TNA and prompt engineering workflow. By using AI to generate data tools and analyze gaps, you reduce the overall TNA process time from weeks to just a few days, saving significant time and resources. When using AI for TNA, always review and edit the output. Do not share confidential employee data. And remember that AI is a starting point, not the final decision maker. Use specific prompts for quality output, and never let AI replace human interaction. Your final individual challenge is to build your own TNA prompt using the CRAFT framework for your department's most pressing training need. Remember to be specific with your context, role, action, format, and tone to get the best results. Our key takeaways include recognizing TNA as the foundation, utilizing the 3-level TNA, and employing CRAFT for better AI output. Remember, AI saves time, not judgment. Start applying these skills this week and build your prompt library for an effective training toolkit. Here is your action pledge for the next 7 days. We encourage you to commit to conducting a mini TNA, building an AI prompt, sharing your learning, and submitting your gap report. Remember, you are an architect of performance, changing careers and building the future of Tex Zippers.